Hello everyone, I'm NC. I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to learn how to make a watermelon slice with Play-Doh. The materials we needed is a flat space or flat table and green Play-Doh for watermelon skin, red Play-Doh for inside the watermelon, and we can have black or any dark color Play-Doh for seeds. Also for mixed media art, we can use any other black things like beans, any black seeds, buttons, up to you. So at first we have to make a watermelon skin. So we get some green Play-Doh. After having green Play-Doh, we want to make a skin. At first we will roll it down. When its length is enough, you can curve it to make a half circle, then press to make it flatten and make the edges pointy. In this time we need some red Play-Doh. Now we make a ball, red ball for inside the watermelon. Put it inside and make it flatten, and by finger make it more flat to cover all the space here. Depending on your choice, if you want to use beans or other things. If you choose Play-Doh, you can make some small balls of dark colors or black colors, but today I'm using black beans for watermelon seeds. And I put them randomly, no pattern needed. I think it's enough. And depending on the children choose, they can make a full circle and make it on that way. The product is this. I think so beautiful, and the children will be interested to doing that. Simple and easy, but lovely. You can give a chance to children to choose their slice in their choice, and we can make slices in half by pencil or any pointy things like these. And it could be fun. You can do it in triangle at first. It's possible. It totally depends on the children's choose, and it's a process-based activity. I hope you enjoyed this video today and have a great and lovely day. See you.